Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on same direction flowers starting in W. The first one we're going to work on is split time, same direction. This trick can be done going in both directions. When starting this trick at the bottom, whatever direction you want to go, you're going to use that native hand to start. You can see here that I'm using the stripe fan to start the pattern, so the purple follows. I don't like to leave the fan in front of my face, so the purple is going to be the first to go up. The relations that you're going to go between is an M or a W, and then when you're off to the sides, it's going to be in CC. When coming back down, you want to start with your native side, put your other in front of your face, get it out of your face, and then back to start. As always, I recommend learning and drilling this trick going in both directions to further your flow journey easier. And this is what it looks like when I do it in real speed. Moving on to same time, same direction. This one can be a little more difficult because your hands are doing opposite things, even though your fans appear to be doing the same thing. As always, you can do this trick in both directions. Here's a close-up, and you can really see that going from the bottom and back to the bottom is where one hand does a static spin while the other is doing a dynamic spin. And here's a slow-mo and a close-up of me going the opposite direction.